In Edmonton, getting your tires changed just got a whole lot easier. Meet Mobile Tire Services, run by Lee,
Hi, I'm Lee with Mobile Tire Services. Welcome to my work truck.
a dedicated expert who brings the entire tire shop right to your driveway. Appointments are simple. You can call or book online at tiresedmonton.ca. Once your request comes in, Lee gets straight to work. First, he checks across multiple local warehouses to find you the best quality tires at the best possible price. No middleman. Then, Lee personally picks up the tires and loads them into his fully equipped mobile service truck. He'll arrive right at your home, but never on your driveway. To protect your property, Lee always parks on the street. Inside the truck is a complete tire shop on wheels, including a tire removal machine, balancing machine, high-powered air compressor, and a specialized system to ensure perfect air pressure in every tire. All tools are rim-safe and designed to leave zero cosmetic damage. Your vehicle can stay right on your driveway. Lee uses a low-profile jack to safely lift your car and a torque-controlled impact wrench to remove and secure each wheel. No strip nuts, no damage. During the tire change, Lee is fully focused on the job, so he won't be able to answer the phone immediately. If you're calling with a new inquiry, please leave a message or send a quick email. He'll get back to you as soon as he's safely done with the current service. The setup is tidy and neighborhood-friendly. No exposed wires, no mess left behind. Just a smooth, professional service. You can keep gardening, relaxing, or working from home, while Lee handles everything. From booking to install, it's all taken care of. Conveniently, safely, and affordably. Ready to change your tires without changing your day? Text Lee at 780-782-1137 Mobile Tire Services, Edmonton's most convenient way to roll.